pastor for Nigeria, Apostle Chibuzo Chinyere, aka Dr. Jesus. You know, the pastor for OPM, I know now, they say Dr. Jesus. You understand? That is a Omega Power Ministry. You know, this pastor, you know, they cease to amaze people. This pastor, you know, they go about, they do good. Every time when they talk about pastor, this pastor never appeared for my studio once, but he just appeared today. You understand? You know why? Because you go to the pastor, they do, waste, he amaze me. So this pastor, he gets more than 100 children for a house where they take care of them. They feed them. They give them free school. Take care of them. Even sometimes you carry them go outside. You know, carry them go parking, use them to play. You know, most of them were there Oyibo land, and also all those Oyibo people that they like make their children they feel comfortable, right? Make they feel happy. And so this man, they carry those children, and inside the children they get disabled and able. You understand? You know, if I say disabled now, sometimes some children they sick. You understand? And all those are disabled children. They carry them out, carry them go parking. Make them know that they are important. Make them feel important in the society. They take care of them. I want to still watch the video, waiting. He don't do. Essentialmente.
Children are the hands by which we take hold of heaven. They are gifts from the Lord and a reward from Him. They deserve to be loved and to know that they are loved. They also deserve to be cherished and to know that they are valuable. Unfortunately, underprivileged and special needs children lose their ability to have a normal childhood. They aren't capable of developing emotionally, physically, and socially. Due to the conditions of their birth, they lose their rights as children and have to endure heartbreaking situations. Because of his undying love for children and his passion to help the poor and alleviate poverty, Apostle Chibuzo absorbed over 100 children, including autistic children. These children live with him and he takes responsibility of them to the fullest. He makes sure to give them the best in life and provides them with quality care, which includes play, as well as nutrition, health, quality education, and protection. Apostle Chibuzo is aware that play, fun, and relaxation have a hugely important role to play in healthy brain development. And it's often through fun new experiences that children have the opportunity to develop their emotional strength and resilience. Because of this, Apostle Chibuzo makes it a point of duty to forge deep bonds with the children by playing with them at home and also by taking them on outings where they can enjoy it to the fullest. Just like in very many occasions, just recently, Apostle Chibuzo took the over 100 children living with him to the park to have fun and do many other playing activities like sliding, swinging, and so on. By getting a child education that they need and allowing them the opportunity to lead a more normal life, you help them become useful members of the society. The more children that grows up to work, job, and contribute to the economy, the better off we are as a society, nation, and world. Every child you encounter is a divine appointment. No child is useless. Special needs children are given by God as gifts and require care and love. Remember, it is easier to build strong children than repair broken men.
You see the good of this man. Now, see what I want to talk. If we can be doing this, men of God, if we fit dey do this one, I know that Christianity go get respect, most especially in Nigeria. Today, people no dey respect Christianity again, just because of wetin some of us dey do. Do you know that this same man, you understand? This same man single-handedly sponsor some group of youth, many go abroad, go school for there, and this man rent an apartment. No be, oh God, no, that one another video of himself. Rent an apartment. Many of them are there, but how much one they pay for a month? Now, just look at him. He say when he see the apartment, he be one renter, but he buy him. Bought the apartment. Just imagine you want buy house for abroad. He buy the house where the student they stay, where they take the school for abroad. And this is a man like us living in the same country. Who does say Nigeria baje, Nigeria jaga jaga, Nigeria this one. But this man they do this thing. Also from the help of people you still there among, because sometimes most people will be saying that they do this partnership. Now they take and they do be this one. You understand? I don't see many churches so we say they do partnership, say partner with us. Yet most of them will not see what they take and they do. I don't want to talk about private jet. Men of God, make we stop. Go they donate money they put for government treasury. Feeling that we are doing good. Prove me right too. Men of God, stop to the go schools where government already built finish. Go they build 1 million capacitor or capacity. Go they build. Some they build. I know what I call 1 million. No, you understand? Some they build 3,000. Some they build 3,500. These are the things which you're supposed to do. Remove some children from street. Remove them from street. See how you can give them a better life. Sometimes if you see all those kind of all those partnership program or all those foundation that has to do with helping people, still try take part. You understand? Try take part. Like me, I did some foundations. Try take part. Maybe say at least you know so you still contribute. Say, make I use this money. At least if now 1 or 2 person use and take helper. Let's be doing this. Not be everything while they talk. Say this one do this one, this part do this one. And people will still speak good about pastors. Well, sir, thank you very much. Thank you very much for making us to speak good about pastors. Because if you see some of the things where they do, they will still say yes. Men of God are still up to something in Nigeria. We will still have good men of God. While we still have some who has self-centered, self-esteem. No be insult na English. You understand? I beg, make we try. Let's see how we can join hands together to help one another. Make Nigeria great again. May we start the talk say Nigeria jaga jaga. If we do it like this, Nigeria will become a great country. No be everything they put for government hand. No be everything they blame government. No be everything they say government this one, government this one, government this one. May we still try to do something ourselves. Now waiting I can't talk. I come in peace. I beg, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Agbons TV. God will bless you.